Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Spectrum mobile app review to save with what you're using. So let's get started with the analysis, the breakdown and the downside about this mobile app review. About this mobile app. So to get started with the breakdown, Spectrum mobile app is a beautiful Spectrum wireless customer allowing full control over your mobile service directly from your phone. It lets you manage your account, pay bills, view data usage, change plans. You can also set up autopay, monitor your usage in real time, and enable features like Wi-Fi calling. The app has a clean, intuitive design that makes it managing and multiple line easy, and provide a timely notification about usage threshold and bill reminder. Helpful for staying on top of your mobile plan without logging in into a desktop or calling customer service. On the flip side, user report occasional glitches such as slow load times or issues with real-time data update. If you have noted that accessing details, calls, and test log or certain advanced settings sometimes require navigation to the Spectrum website, still Spectrum mobile app is worth it if you are already a Spectrum customer. It streamlines bill payment, data tracking, and plan change much more convenient than using a browser or making a course, even if it is not perfect. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about Spectrum mobile app. And that's it.